In front of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find an app called Recorder and tap on it. Now just agree and continue, tap on allow in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same button. You can also save a fragment of it by clicking on this left icon over here, adding bookmark. And if you wish to end your recording and save it, you can do that by clicking on this right button. Now name your recording however you wish to and save it by clicking on the top right corner of the Save Recording pop-up. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always delete it though by holding it, tapping on this pin icon at the bottom left corner and choosing Delete All Recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!